Hey, what's going on, everyone? It is me again, attorney Hadi Harp, and welcome to another episode of Legacy Planning TV. Today, I just want to briefly mention something that I think is a little misconstrued amongst many people, and that is the idea that estate planning is only planning for death. Okay, but that's a mistake. What a lot of people don't realize is that a lot of what you're doing with estate planning is also planning for life. Okay, you're planning for life in situations where you may need some assistance if you're in the hospital, and you need someone to make decisions for you, and you want to make sure the person making those decisions is following your counseling, what you told them to do, or you want to make sure that the person who's making those decisions is someone that you trust, is someone that you want making decisions for you. And so that kind of stuff gets put in what's called a medical power of attorney or advanced healthcare directive. Anytime you've checked into the hospital, you know that, part of the questions that they ask you is, do you have a medical power of attorney or advanced healthcare directive on file, or something you can provide us? Because yes, if something does go wrong, the hospital wants to make sure that they are either following your instructions and wishes or reaching out to the person who has the authority to make those decisions on your behalf. So that's a very important document. And again, you're planning for life, not death. You're planning for life when you are doing that part of the estate plan. The second part of planning for life includes a power of attorney, a durable financial power of attorney. So if you are in the hospital, okay, and you're not able to make decisions on your behalf, okay, you need someone to make sure that your financial affairs are in order. You need someone to make sure your house doesn't go to foreclosure, and that you have access to, paying off bills. If your kids and family don't have access to those bank accounts because they don't have a power of attorney, who's going to take care of them and make sure that they have money they need in order to take care of themselves, in order to pay off bills, in order to pay off the mortgage. So a durable power of attorney is a tool that can be used in situations where you're either in the hospital or maybe you're on vacation across the country and you need someone to step into your shoes and attend to your financial and business affairs. Okay, so those are two of the big pillars of how an estate plan is really important for planning for life. Okay, once you get in situations where you're not able to make those decisions, okay, it's too late to execute a power of attorney or a healthcare directive, because you're not around to give someone else the authority to do that. So that's why it's important to get those estate planning documents in place while you're healthy, before you need them. Okay, once you need those documents, it's too late for you to make any moves. Okay, and so what will happen if you don't have those documents in place while you're healthy and alive is that your family's going to have to go to probate court and ask the court for permission to get the authority to act on your behalf. Okay, so that's just one misconception about estate planning. It is not all about planning for death. A lot of the estate planning tools that estate planning attorneys prepare are planning for life. Okay, so if you have any questions about anything we just talked about or your estate planning needs, as always, visit estateplanchat.com to get on my schedule. Thank you very much again for listening. I appreciate you, and until next time, be safe out there.